Our most popular auto reel is the Hozelock 2595 40-meter auto reel. You can see just how popular it is from the 415 reviews, giving it an overall 97.3% 5-star rating. As its name suggests, it automatically reels itself back in, so there is no need to wind it back when you're done. It can be locked into place, so this doesn't happen in use. It also features an automatic brake to stop it retracting too quickly. It comes with a 40-meter premium anti-kink hose and a 2-meter feeder hose. As well as wall brackets and fixings, it comes with a variable spray nozzle. The wall bracket allows it to pivot up to 180 degrees, giving you plenty of movement for use and allowing it to be folded against the wall when not in use. It can also be easily removed from the bracket to store away during winter months. For added protection, there's a child lock. Click on the video to see more Hozelock products and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.